this is the image they just done with everything, and I think it's wrong. You have to change the background to make it to look like this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is the image, right? Okay, so I'm going to duplicate it, Control plus J. So when you duplicate it, move to select and subject. So the subject is going to cut it. Okay, it's going to crop it, and then you hit Control J to separate it, so you can see the difference now. Okay, so when you're done with it, I have my background already. So this is the background. So I'm going to fix the background into this image. So we're going to stretch it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it so it'll be around this side. The background is not so much clear, but I'm going to show you how to use it, and then this is how it's going to fix it. Okay, so when you push into the side, because it's just set it down, and we need to just make sure the arrangement is going to be good for that. Okay, so I think this side is okay, so you can see the before and after. Okay, so when you're done with this, use this one, okay, the rectangle, to just highlight it and move to and click on it and move to the tilt blade. Okay, so when you click on it, this is what it's going to give you. Okay, you can make it small. Okay, you can make it a little. So I prefer to make it cool like this. I don't know why it's just messing up, so I'm gonna push it to be around here. So when done with it, hit Control. Okay, so when it hits OK, you can see the difference now. Okay, so when you're done with all this, you're going to add the first image to the second image, to the third, to the fourth, and then duplicate it. So when you duplicate it, this is what you're going to do. You're going to use the rectangle again to select it, and move to the filter and move to the tilt blade. Okay, so I'm going to blade around this side, but not too much. So you're going to push it and push this side and push a little here, and make sure this top here is going to blade a little more, but not too much. You can see I want it to be focused, but here I just want to push it, so you can see it's just a little there, and you can see here, you can see the blade just affect the side, and you hit enter and Control D. So when you hit Control D, change this color to black. So when you change it to black, move to gradients here and change the style to the second one, and reverse it and reverse it. When you reverse it, this is what it's going to give you. Okay, so I'm going to push it, not so much. Okay, so let's check before and after, then you add them together. Okay, add them together, and then I think you move to camera raw filter to complete it. Okay, so I'm going to push the black and the contrast to be around here, and the whites, okay, to brighten it more, but you can make it like this, okay, to look more cinematic, but I just want to brighten so that they can see the face wall. And I'm going to push this to make sure everything is going to look clean, and you can check it before and after. And we're going to move to detail. So the detail is going to push the non-reduction. Okay, we don't make too much to look like cartoon, just little to 15 or 14, and a little sharpness. Okay, you can see that, and that is it. You can check before and after. Hit OK. So that is it. Just this one just look clean like the first one. So if you need more videos like this, click here, subscribe to my page, and give comments and let me know your mind. If anything, I will just respond to you. So see you for the next video. Bye.